Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 15. Our learning goal for today says, I can decompose and compose numbers to 8 using drawings and number sentences. Now today we're going to really work on those good number sentences. And we're going to talk about how we can move the numbers around and we can still make the sentence make sense. Let me show you. Okay, so I went to the pond the other day. And I was just throwing rocks and watch what happened. So I threw some in the water. I threw 1, 2, 3 rocks in the water. And then I threw the rest of them on this little piece of land. So I threw 3 in the water and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the land. Now I want to figure out how many rocks do I have all together. So I'm going to write a number sentence, right? Okay. Let's look at the different parts that I have. First of all, one of my parts are the rocks in the water. How many rocks are in the water, friend? Yes, good job, 3. So I could write 3, and then I want to add it to the part that's on land, so I'll say plus. How many rocks did I have on the land? Yeah, you can go ahead and count them. Perfect. I had 5. All right, so now I have 3 plus 5. See how I added my 2 parts together? And I want to do an equal sign because I want to know how many rocks do I have all in all. Now, friend, how could I solve this problem? Yeah, I could literally just count all the rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the ones in the water and all the ones on the land. Good idea. What else could I do? Ooh, did you say you were using your fingers? You put up 3 and then you added 5 more and counted that way? You could do that. What about, could you say the bigger number? Could you say 5 and then count up 3 more? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you can do that. See, when I add these 2 parts together, I'm going to get my whole amount. I added the water rocks plus the land rocks, and I got all of my rocks in all. All right, that's my whole amount. Hey, we just did a beautiful number sentence. Hey, you want to go get a dry erase board and a marker? You can go ahead and press pause while you do that, because I want you to write the next number sentence with me. Okay, you all set? Perfect. All right, so I picked up the rocks, so I threw more in. Oh, look at that. Can you go ahead and tap on the rocks? We're going to count and see how many rocks I have all together. All right, ready? Let's start with the ones on the in the water. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. On your dry erase board, can you just go ahead and draw 8? Okay, perfect. Now I said we want to do a number sentence. So if I have 8, that's the whole amount, right? Yeah, so I need to put an equal sign. And the equal sign is going to be equal to the 2 parts that I'm going to add together. Do you agree? All right, great. So let's see. 8 is equal to, let's talk about our parts. We have water rocks and we have land rocks. So what should we start with, do you think? Okay, let's count those. Let's count the water rocks. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and write a 2 up on our number sentence. 8 is equal to 2 plus, can you go ahead and try to figure out what that other number is going to be? You can press pause while you figure it out, then press play to check yourself, okay? Okay, how did you figure out what the other number is going to be in that number sentence, friend? Oh, you counted the rocks on the land? Perfect, because our 8 is our whole amount of rocks. Some are in the water, the 2, and the rest are on the land. Let's go ahead and count them together. 1, 2, 3, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So 8 is equal to 2 plus 6. All right, go ahead and finish your number sentence. That looks beautiful. Hey, question. If I was going to put this into the number bond, how would I do that? Yeah, 8's the whole amount. So that would be in the circle by himself, and he would be connected on the 2 paths to 2 and 6, because those are the parts. Good job, friends. All right, go ahead and erase your board. Right, let's try another number sentence, shall we? All right, so here we go. I don't have any rocks yet. Let's throw them all down there. Let's see. We count them as I throw them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, cool. I have 8 again. All right, let's go ahead and draw 8. But this time, Let's draw a way over here. And I'm going to do the equal sign on the other side of 8. So I'll say 8 is equal to, I want you to go ahead and press pause. I want you to figure out what the two numbers are that will show the part that we're going to add together. Think about the water rocks and then add them to the land rocks. Can you press pause while you finish that number sentence and then press play to check yourself, okay? All right, so since we're going from this way and we're headed in that direction, I'm going to think about my picture in the same way. I'm going to start with my land rocks. So I'm going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And since 8 is our whole amount and we counted the land rocks, what other rocks do we still have to count? Yeah, this other part over here, the water rocks. So I'm going to say plus. And then how many water rocks did you see, friend? Perfect. Yeah, 4. All right, so our number sentence is 4 plus 4 equals 8. Or I can read it from the other direction. 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. Is that what you did, friend? Oh, excellent. I love how we're matching our number sentence to the drawing that we see. Man, you're doing a fantastic job. And it's great because our learning goal for today said, I can decompose and compose numbers to 8. That's what we've been doing, using drawings and number sentences. Man, friend, you're really rocking these number sentences, which is impressive because it's pretty tricky. All right, this is what I would like you to seesaw to your teacher. If you'll notice, I started a number sentence for you, but I just left the two parts empty. See, I said blank plus blank is equal to 8. I want you to look at the picture and can you fill in the number sentence that matches the picture, okay? The one that has the water rocks and then also the land rocks. All right, I can't wait to see your good work. Good luck, friends.